Hi mga Pangga, how's everyone? Hope all is well. Today, I'm going to share with you on how to cook fish fillet with butter and a slab of lemon. Let's start! First, rub the fish fillet with salt, two sides. And now sprinkle it with pepper. Both sides as well. And because I love spicy, I add little bit of chili powder. On a flat platter, sprinkle some flour. Put the fillet and rub down all over. At this moment, we'll make the sauce. Put at least 2 tablespoons olive oil. Now put garlic or garlic paste. Followed by onion. Then put the fish to fry. After 3 to 5 minutes, it will turn this brown. Now sprinkle with half the slice of lemon juice. Add little bit of water. This is a delicate fish and soft, as you can see. Now add 2 slices of butter. Let it melt and combine its mixture. You can cut it half by small pieces, it's up to you. Then spatter the parsley leaves on it. And it's ready to serve. Put it in your favorite plate and splash the sauce over it. This moment I want to taste it. Yummy! You can add olives or mushrooms in your version. This is my recipe, very simple and easy.